Are you tired of the hassle and the stress of maintaining your home? Look no further, because this beautiful ranch-style home offers easy living with snow removal and yard maintenance taken care of by the HOA. Hi, I'm Alisha Collins with the Alisha Collins Real Estate Team, and today we're at our newest listing at 911 Recluse. This home is in move-in condition and designed with a single-level layout and no step entrance at the garage and at the door. Come take a tour and see for yourself. Step inside and be greeted by a bright and light home with an open floor plan. Your eyes will immediately be drawn to the absolutely stunning refinished hardwood floors. The formal dining room and eat-in kitchen are perfect for entertaining guests. And speaking of the kitchen, just look how gorgeous and functional it is. You are going to love the tall upper cabinets and the crown molding throughout this kitchen. There are multiple sets of drawers in this kitchen. And this kitchen is a cook's dream with these fantastic upgraded stainless steel appliances, including this 5-burner gas range. As you continue to explore this beautiful home, you'll find a large family room that is open to the dining room and sliding doors to the back deck. Out the sliding door, you can see the most gorgeous view of the mountain. This property is the perfect size and is also fenced and has a sprinkler system. Imagine spending your summers on this deck, taking in the breathtaking views of the mountain while enjoying a cold drink with friends and family. The master suite of this home is truly a sanctuary. This room is a great large size and leads right into the master bath. Large master bath with a 5-piece bath. Indulge in a jetted tub and enjoy the ample storage space. The large shower is perfect for starting your day or relaxing after a long one, and there is tile throughout this space. A walk-in closet provides ample space for all your clothes and your shoes. In addition to the luxurious master suite, this home also offers 2 additional bedrooms on the main level and an upgraded hall bath. This bathroom has tile on the floor and the surround that goes all the way to the ceiling. The lower level is absolutely amazing. I know I've said that a lot, but this home truly is one of a kind. The basement offers endless possibilities for entertainment and relaxation. The large open space is perfect for a pool table like this, and still there is room for a family room area that has lots of seating. And wait, there's even more. This wet bar adds a touch of luxury, and you can probably imagine all of your friends sitting around the bar. This nook is the perfect place for your exercise equipment or an office. And the 4th bedroom is in the basement. It is a massive room and has a walk-in closet. An additional bathroom downstairs that again is a great size with lots of storage, has tile with that tile going all the way to the ceiling. There is a main floor laundry so that all of your necessities are on one level, but there's also a massive laundry room downstairs with even more storage. And I can't forget to tell you that this home really flows. The upstairs matches the downstairs, and sometimes we don't see that. Also, there's lots of upgrades like a water softener, central air, and updates throughout the home. I would love to show you this home, so please call or text us today. Remember, we want you to love where you live. See you soon.